Hey, my name's Edan, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Versatach Super Duty Demolition Grapple. A couple things to know about this grapple include its dual independent grapples to allow you to grapple with uneven objects, placeable wear parts on both grapples and along the bucket. The fact that this is built in Korea and is entirely solid steel, so a nice sturdy, reliable structure, and that it requires only a low oil flow, so you're compatible with most of your skid steers. A couple use cases for this include arborist work such as treecare, demolition work, rubbish removal, or just general yard work. If you'd like to learn more, get in touch today with Delta Equipment and we'll gladly give you a quote.